Hello everyone, welcome to 60 Thoughts. Today we are going to discuss about one of the interesting topic, what is meant by equivalence relation in lattices and Boolean algebra. Okay, so let us definition. A binary relation capital R on the given set capital A is said to be an equivalence relation on the given set A if it satisfies three conditions. One is R is reflexive, which means x comma x belongs to R for all x belongs to A. For example, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, these are the reflexive form. Okay. Second one is R is symmetric. What is meant by R symmetric means x comma y belongs to R. If x comma y belongs to R, then y comma x belongs to R. So we can write y comma x belongs to R. For all x comma y belongs to A, then it is called R is symmetric. For example, if you take 1 comma belongs to the relation set R, then we can write 2 comma 1. It is belongs to relation set R. Then only R is called symmetric. Third one is R is transitive. What is transitive means we consider two order pair. Using the two order pair, we have to prove third order pair. Okay, you see the property. If x comma y belongs to R and here y is the same y, whatever you consider y value, same value you consider second order. If x comma y belongs to R and y comma z belongs to R, then x comma z belongs to R, then it is called transitive. Otherwise, it is not transitive. Okay, for all x comma y comma z belongs to A. Once it satisfies the relation set is these three conditions, then only the given set is called equivalence relation. Otherwise, it is not equivalence relation. So, what is equivalence relation? It satisfies three conditions. R is reflexive, R is symmetric, R is transitive. Okay, I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.